อยากกินป้าเข้าไปเบิ่งเดี๋ยวเราด้านนี้กี่บาทอ่ะอันนี้อะไรอ่ะ เดี๋ยวก็ลูกชิ้นทอดน้ำเปล่าที่กองในบ้านจ้าเดี๋ยวก็ลูกชิ้นทอดน้ำเปล่าน้ำมันจ้าเดี๋ยวก็ลูกชิ้นทอดน้ำเปล่าน้ำมันจ้าเดี๋ยวก็ลูกชิ้นทอดน้ำเปล่าน้ำมันจ้าต้องเล่นยืมเงินปูมันปลาจ้าร้อนๆเลยค่ะ70 บาทค่ะและนี่ลูกและนี่แล้วโอ้ยังเท่าไหร่คะ70ค่ะ
โอ้ยคงอยากวันเอาย่างหรอThese are the ones I went with. They look interesting, mysterious, just a little. The tiniest chopsticks ever. They're just bamboo skewers that are not pointy, that's all. Okay. There's probably some wasabi somewhere. I will not be going with the wasabi today. That stuff is terrible. It's just straight up chemicals. I got some soy sauce. We'll do that. Whoa, it goes everywhere but where I want it. That little pack goes a long way. Okay. Why, these chopsticks are too small for my fingers. I can't hold on to them. This one's got corn on it. It looks like tuna salad. Tastes like tuna salad too. Not bad. Fish eggs. Very fake fish eggs, I would think. It's alright. This one is tuna salad again with some corn, but it's got egg around the outside instead of seaweed. That's pretty good. These guys, out of all the sushi people selling around this area, these guys seem to be one step above the norm. This one's got fake crab, and the one they had there was salmon. I don't buy salmon personally, but the salmon looked really good. That fake crab is really good. I like it. I got two of these bigger fish eggs on them. They look like salmon eggs. They did until I flip it upside down. But I don't think they're real eggs. There we go. They pop when you bite them like a real fish egg, but there's no fishy taste to them at all. And I ended up with two like that for some reason. I must have thought they were going to be good. This tray cost me 40 baht. That's about $1.20. I don't know what this is, but it looks like the grilled eel. It's chicken. That's really good. That's the best one. It's a little bit chewy, but man, the flavor is really, really nice. This is one, it's got a combination of tuna salad and fish eggs and corn. Should be good. The one with the chicken was the best. By far. Holy man, that was really good. I've had a few of these sushi places now. This one is by far the best. Thailand sushi. Don't get it confused with real sushi. Alright guys, there it is. Thailand street food. Sushi. Looks good. Tastes better than normal as well. Quite impressed actually. And they're busy. That's a good sign, you know. It's always a good sign when these market vendors are really busy. And these guys are, there's 4 people working in that one stall right now. And they're flat out. That's a good sign. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. We'll see you on the next video.